This beautiful house by Relevant Buildings is an ADU model built using two 20-foot shipping containers. From the front, it looks like your ordinary two-story container home. However, this amazing unit has got a basement, giving this house a 3-story. It has a fully finished basement level, a ground floor level, and a first floor loft-like story. This is the floor plan of this amazing unit on the ground floor level, whereby we have one sizable bedroom, a full bathroom, a kitchen. We also have a dining and a living room. There's a big loft space which forms the sleeping space of the house. In this particular model, there's a slight modification in the layout to accommodate a big sleeping space. This is a view of the lounge area. It is well lit and it is nicely furnished. You can see the leather couches. They bring out the beautiful setup. This is a view of the dining area. It's a closer view of the dining, showing a good butcher block dining table. That is the general open plan area around the dining and the kitchen. It's a closer view of the kitchen. Nice kitchen backsplash and black painted cabinetry. The big window to light up the sink space and stainless steel appliances, giving it an apartment-like vibe. This is an outdoor space, good for barbecuing and outdoor dining for two as shown. This is a general view of the balcony area, showing the barbecue jiko. This is one of the bedrooms on the ground floor level, spacious and well lit, nicely furnished. I like these wooden beams. This is a view of the main bathroom. It's a full bathroom with a wash and basin. There is a toilet and we also have a glass shower cubicle. This is an amazing setup, even with a stacked washer and dryer. This is a view of the staircase that connects to the loft space upstairs. You won't believe how big this loft is. Look at that setup. 2 beds, there's a bunk bed, there's a big double bed. The space is well lit and it looks like a full floor. Look at that setup. An amazing setup. You can't believe this house is using bones from two 20-footers to create this amazing shipping container home. That is still the bedroom area. There's a bathroom. Also, there's a small reading table with a big window with amazing views of the outdoors. Look at that bathroom setup. Big bathroom space. You can't believe all this has been fit within that arrangement that uses two 20-foot shipping containers. This is the basement level. It has a big family room, as you can see. Big family room. Big family room, nice setup. It's an amazing setup. Look at that area. That's the basement, well lit, well furnished, and well finished. Yeah, you can see the sofa bed. It can open to create additional sleeping space. Can you believe this house can sleep 10 people comfortably? Yes. Look at that play area. Enough for your table tennis. Big space. There's some darts there. Darts board for you to enjoy your game. Yeah. Look at that setup. Nice indoor space. Now on the outdoors, there's a fire pit, as you can see. And from there, you can see the 3 levels of the house. Yeah. There's an outdoor tub area like that, as shown. So basically, this is a fully furnished shipping container house and gives you all the modern vibes you'll require in any shipping container setup. This amazing house is also listed as a vacation rental. Feel free to check it out using the links in the description below. What do you like about this shipping container setup? Give us your opinion by posting in the comment section below. If you need more information, feel free to contact Relevant Homes using the official link in the description below. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments section. Before I jump out, if you've been looking for a building guide, don't forget to check out our new release of how to build a shipping container house. Download 2 free chapters of the book using the link in the description below. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.